Watching MTV, dreaming about a cypher up on BET. Tell my mom that's me, sitting VIP, 18 worldwide till I DIE. Cause THEY never believed in I. Trying to belittle my riddles and bring me down, they tried. Always knew I'd rise if I just stuck to my mind. They trying to see if I'm strong enough, kept my weapons inside. Kept honesty on my tongue, kept that smoke in my lungs. This ain't 2008, my family lacking in funds. Trying to go out and get it and push it back where it was. And I know I can do it, thousands been showing me love. Life tried to change me, arrange me, erase me from who I am. Always been a creative, I'll make it, this was the plan. Life fell apart, so my future could fall together. Shout out to my broken heart, who knew you would make me better. Swear I'm trying to get a Grammy, dedicated to my granny, just so this can make a little sense to my family. Explaining what my plan is, they got trouble understanding. Explaining what I do, got me explaining the internet. So you give this out for free, son, you should be cashing checks. Ain't that simple, this the world of digital, that pivotal. Get a fan base behind you, a hit could be pivotal. These days, music has never been more competitive. Compare me to myself, cause I don't fuck with comparisons. You want to be the next what? Find that shit embarrassing. Aim to be the best you, that's what all the legends did.
Ganun lang talaga sa simula muna, mahirap sa simula. Sobrang hirap. Hindi nyo masasabing kailan nakaranas ng hirap. Kami rin sa Manila, sobrang hirap. Pag in-overall natin, yung Philippines, sobrang late. Dahil lang Manila, main kasi, binababaan talaga siya. Pero yung sa mga provinces, kung pag late kami, mas late kayo. Para sa akin, mas masaya, mas na pinupuntahan yung mga tagong lugar kaysa sa yung mga lugar na kaya nilang pumunta ng Manila. Kunwari, yung mga malalapit sa Manila, kaya nilang pumunta eh. Pero sana hinihiling ko sa lahat ng mga big jam sa Manila, sa lahat ng may mga pagmamahal sa culture. Pasalamat na kami, bumababa kayo sa amin, pero mas marami pang nangangailangan ng kultura, totoong kultura, knowledge, at saka tulong. Puntahan natin to, kailangan nila.
To